Welcome, Snapchat users. Are you looking to clear your synced contacts on Snapchat? In this full guide, we'll show you how to remove synced contacts step by step. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your device. Make sure you have the latest version of the app installed for the best experience. Step 2. In the Snapchat app, locate the account icon. It can be found in the top left corner of the screen. Tap on the account icon to access your settings. Step 3. Within the settings menu, look for the gear icon. This represents the settings option. Tap on the gear icon to open the settings menu. Step 4. Inside the settings menu, scroll down and find the option called Contacts Syncing. Tap on it to access the Contacts Syncing settings. Step 5. Within the Contacts Syncing settings, you'll see an option called Remove Synced Contacts from Snapchat. Tap on it to initiate the removal process. Confirm your decision, and Snapchat will remove all the contacts that were previously synced with your account. Congratulations! You have successfully cleared your synced contacts on Snapchat. Your privacy is now safeguarded, and your contacts will no longer appear in the app. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you clear your synced contacts on Snapchat. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks.